How to manage your money like the 1%. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wealth management strategies that the top 1% use to grow and protect their fortunes. In this video, we'll explore key principles that can transform your financial outlook, from smart investing to strategic budgeting. Our goal is to engage and inform you, appealing to your aspirations for financial freedom and security. We'll highlight the importance of financial literacy, showing you how understanding money can empower you to make informed decisions. Adopting the 1% mindset isn't just about having wealth. It's about cultivating habits that lead to lasting prosperity. So, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategies, stick around as we unlock the secrets to managing money like the elite. Tip 1: To truly grasp the 1% mindset, we must explore the habits and philosophies that drive the wealthiest individuals. One key aspect is their emphasis on long-term thinking and strategic planning. Unlike many, they don't chase quick wins. Instead, they focus on sustainable growth and future opportunities. This approach allows them to accumulate wealth over time, often through investments that may take years to mature. Discipline and consistency are also crucial. The 1% make informed financial decisions and stick to their plans, even when faced with temptations to deviate. This steadfastness is what sets them apart. Moreover, the wealthiest prioritize financial education and continuous learning. They understand that knowledge is power, regularly seeking out new information and strategies to enhance their financial acumen. By adopting these principles, you can start to think and act like the 1%, paving your way to financial success. Tip 2: When it comes to effective budgeting techniques, the wealthy often turn to zero-based budgeting. This method requires you to allocate every dollar of your income to specific expenses, savings, or investments, ensuring that your budget starts at zero each month. The benefit? It promotes intentional spending and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Tracking your expenses and income meticulously is another crucial practice among the affluent. By keeping a close eye on where your money goes, you can make informed decisions and adjust your budget as needed. Additionally, it's essential to prioritize your financial future by allocating funds for investments and savings first. Treat these allocations as non-negotiable expenses, ensuring that you're consistently building wealth. By adopting these billionaire budgeting techniques, you can take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to financial success. Tip 3: To grow their wealth, the 1% employ strategic investment techniques that prioritize diversification. By spreading their investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities, they mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. This approach ensures that a downturn in one area doesn't drastically impact their overall portfolio. Another key strategy is focusing on long-term investments rather than chasing short-term gains. The wealthy understand that patience pays off. Investments in quality assets tend to appreciate over time, leading to substantial wealth accumulation. Additionally, consider exploring real estate, stocks, and alternative investments like private equity or cryptocurrencies. Real estate can provide passive income and appreciation, while stocks offer growth potential. Alternative investments can further diversify your portfolio and hedge against market volatility. By adopting these investment strategies, you can position yourself for financial growth and stability, just like the 1%. Tip 4: In today's financial landscape, having diverse income sources is crucial for building wealth. One effective way to achieve this is through passive income, which allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. This type of income plays a significant role in wealth creation, as it provides financial stability and freedom. We encourage you to explore various avenues for generating additional income, such as side hustles, investments, and entrepreneurship. For instance, consider starting an online business or freelancing in your area of expertise. Successful income streams can also include rental properties, which offer both cash flow and long-term appreciation, or dividend-paying stocks that provide regular income. By diversifying your income sources, you not only enhance your financial security but also create opportunities for growth. Embrace the mindset of the 1% and start building your multiple income streams today. Tip 5: Safeguarding your financial assets is just as important as building them. One of the key strategies for wealth protection is insurance and risk management. Adequate coverage, whether through health, life, or property insurance, can shield you from unexpected financial setbacks, ensuring your wealth remains intact. Another crucial aspect is estate planning and the use of trusts. These tools help preserve your wealth for future generations, allowing you to dictate how your assets are distributed and minimizing tax liabilities. By planning, you can ensure that your hard-earned wealth benefits your loved ones. Additionally, it's essential to review and adjust your financial plans regularly. Life circumstances change, and so should your strategies. By staying proactive and informed, you can adapt to new challenges and opportunities, ultimately protecting your wealth for years to come. Embrace these strategies to secure your financial future. Conclusion: adopting the 1% mindset is essential for achieving financial success. We've explored key strategies, including effective budgeting techniques, wise investing, and the importance of building multiple income streams. By embracing long-term thinking, diversifying your investments, and prioritizing financial education, you can set yourself on a path to wealth accumulation. Remember, it's crucial to take actionable steps towards better money management. Whether that's starting a side hustle, reviewing your financial plans, or investing in your education. Every small effort counts. Check on the links below to learn more on money. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, let's empower ourselves to achieve financial freedom and security. Thank you for watching.